while making for suhoor or siri for 10 days of Ramadan fasting, and today is February 28 and last day of this month, February 28. So goodbye 2026 February 28. And I make parathas, dinti, then I make hot little rice, and this I have extra before yesterday, this pulses or yellow beans or chole we call it here. And I have little bit pakora and paratha. Now close fasting for suhoor or siri. Time check is 5:08 AM and will be open fasting for iftari around 6 past 6:10 PM. So almost 13 hours in PO, nothing by mouth. Yan, may azan na. First yung sirin, tapos azan. It's cooking time again for our 10th Ramadan fasting. This is for our dinner. So I put already garlic, then onions and garlics. And today I will cook potatoes curry. Now next we'll put now this chili powder, salt, turmeric powder. And then this dinikdik na cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, at saka coriander seeds. To be followed by tomatoes and some green chilies. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now these slices of potatoes. After I will put this coriander leaves or parsley, organic this one. So I put enough already gravy here, or I put more, I add more gravy here. And then I will cook rice also. I will transfer this one in another container. Then I will cook rice here also in this container. So this is enough gravy. Potatoes curry toppings with coriander leaves, white rice, chapatis, pakoras with tang juice with chia seeds or tukmalanga seeds. And then dates for open fasting for iftari and chutney. So alhamdulillah for 10 days Ramadan fasting foods. Fruit chat or fresh fruits salad like oranges, guavas, apples, bananas, and sweet melon. And then I put only sugar and fresh buffalo milk. Yan. And then, bumili din si Fahad ng samosa, 3 piraso. Yan. At saka jalebi. Yan. Matrabaho itong samosa at saka itong jalebi hindi ko pa na-try na gumawa. Pero ito gumagawa ako nito noong last year. Kaya lang nakakatamad gumawa kasi matrabaho. Kaya bumibili na lang si Fahad ng 3 kasi sila kay ayaw niya silangga. Kami lang ni Fahad saka si Fatma kumakain. Pero ang gusto ko nito ay yung yung wrapper niya kasi crispy. Kasi ang laman nito ay lang patatas na binoil. Ayan yan patatas Tapos nilagyan ng chili powder, salt.